interfered with.
Acting Inspector General of Police Gilbert Masegeli has called on police chiefs in Northeastern region to closely work with all stakeholders and ensure that human and drug trafficking is brought to an end. Masegeli used the opportunity to thank members of the public whom he said have continued to work closely with security apparatus in ensuring that the region not only remains safe, but any illegal activity that is carried out is reported to the relevant authorities. He spoke at the Garissa police station when he concluded his 3-day tour to the region to assess the security situation. Smuggling of contraband goods, drug trafficking and illegal immigration into the country are some of the challenges security officers in the region are grappling with.
In between, we have a lot of contraband goods passing. We have aliens, we have drug trafficking, and we have the criminal gangs in and within. I want to urge my colleagues who assisted here that we work to ensure we manage that crime. And in Garissa here, especially vijana ya Visu, they are known from such an estate they come from. Let them be arrested and be arraigned in court.
The government has stepped up efforts to completely